just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. And I know who it's from. Yeah. Fuck, it is stupid. How you feeling? And happy new year to you, baby. It is the new year, 2025. What a year to be alive, because there's so much shit in store for us, baby. But that's another topic, other videos type deal. Listen, this package, I ordered it a while ago and it finally came. It's January 2nd. I've been doing some cosplaying as Art the Clown, the Baltimore Terrifier kind of deal. And I picked up some permanent contacts that are good for a year. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox that and get straight into it, man. I got 3 different pairs. We're gonna go ahead and look at them. I can only try on one though, because I only got one case, and I'm gonna go pick up the other cases from like Walgreens or somewhere around the way. So hop into it. It took about a week for this to get here, and I was super excited. I put on like daily contacts. They started to irritate my eyes after 8 hours. So hopefully I can give you another review on these and let you know how these did. These were very, they came in a nice little timely manner type deal. I do want to say that, like I probably ordered them like a week before Christmas, and they got here just today. So cute little packaging. Yeah, it looks like my contact. EyeCandys is who I ordered them from. EyeCandys. EyeCandys. So check out EyeCandys right here and right here. EyeCandys. They'll be tagged in here wherever, on Instagram, TikTok, wherever we're watching this at. Amazing things inside. That's cool, that's cool. They got a hashtag. We'll be able to go ahead and look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it and open one of these bad boys. See what this is. These look like a nice pair. These are probably the 3 contacts, the solution, and okay. Wow, holy shit, does each one come with our own little case? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. If each one comes with its own little case and solution, bro, this company's the shit. Nuh-uh, bro. That's amazing, bro. That's awesome. So look, they come in this nice little packaging, and they got their own case on it, bro. Like, oh my God. I ordered a separate case to put. Oh my God, that's amazing, bro. Yo, I'm so happy. Shout out EyeCandys, bro. Yo, oh my God. Well, let's pop one in and let's see what it looks like, man. Oh my God. Shout out EyeCandys, bro. Shout out EyeCandys. Let's take these off. End this video real quick. Smack these back in a case real quick. Yo, this is amazing. This is gonna be dope. Now listen, I only put contacts in once, so please don't, you know what I'm saying? Please don't judge me, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox these contacts. We're gonna unbottle them and put them in the container that it came with, and to see if it's enough liquid for it to hold it, or if you have to go ahead and buy your own liquid like I did. My dummy move, my rookie mistake. I never bought contacts before, so if this is a popular thing or a common thing and you already know that, let me know in the comments. Hey, you big dummy, you big doofus. All right, left and right, doesn't really matter. We're gonna put these into, does this pop? Is this a pop cap? Like a cork? What goes on with this? What the hell? Okay, so it's like a nice seat. Oh, okay, it's a seal. It's a seal. Okay, cool. It's like a metal seal, wow. It is metal, a tongue, it went tink. Okay, and then it's suctioned in there. Wow, very nice, very nice. Now let's hope these don't get stuck in there. One time for the one time, you ready? I'm gonna hope that's enough. Oh my God, that's more than enough liquid. It's more than enough liquid. And they did get stuck in there. I just got done washing my hands, ladies and gentlemen, so you saw that. Go ahead and fish this. Oh my God, I can't even fish that guy out. Oh my God. Oh my God, hold on. He's stuck in the... Oh my God. We are saved by the almighty applicator kit. Hopefully. Let's see what this guy does. All right, we're gonna keep the rubber tips on him just for cleanliness purposes right now. And just fish this bad boy out of here. Might have to take the tips off. I think the tips are fucking with it. It's my eyes are going in, nobody else's. Haha, I got him. All right. So, saw that is enough for it to be fill the thing with the eye drop or with the lens in there. We're gonna go ahead and grab him out right now. Oh my, I feel like I should have like an adult near me. I mean, I feel like I should be supervised doing this. I feel like this is a very, very tedious task that I'm trusting myself with. Ladies and gentlemen, here goes nothing. See, before I had makeup all around my eyes, so that was 10 times harder. Let's see what happens here. Let me reposition this contact on my finger. There we go, there we go. Woo! Woo! You got it, Braid. You can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, the mirror is right here. I'm gonna look into the mirror. God, man, what the hell? Attempt 3. I almost had it. I gave up too soon. All right, let's try with our other eye. All right, let's do our other eye now. See, I was scared to do this, guys. My first time, especially while intoxicated. I wasn't intoxicated putting them in, but I was intoxicated taking them out, and that scared me. And it looks like there's something on them. I'm gonna dip that back in the solution. Pull that back out ever so gently. Cool. So what we're gonna do with this guy is pop him out, put him on this finger, and drop him. Drop him. We're back, hands washed. Took a little woo-saw break. We're not letting this be the first thing that defeats us in 2025. You hear me, ladies and gentlemen? You hear me, ladies and gentlemen? Make sure that finger's dry. Dab it along my chest while I get hair all on it. Again, love it. I love my life. This is how my life works, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the shit show. Welcome to the shit show. Welcome to the shit show. You got a front seat. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on the finger, about to fall off. Hopefully going into the eye. Here we go. Oh, it's caving to my finger again. Bro, what in the hell is wrong? You know what? You know what? They gave us an applicator kit. We're gonna try the applicator kit. If we can get it on the, okay, there we go. On the applicator kit, on the little applicator, we're gonna go ahead and try to put this thing in our eye. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Ah, man. It keeps touching my eye. The applicator kit is a lot easier. Boy, I'll tell you that. All right, we went ahead and fished him out. We got him all ready. All the liquids are in the container. Here we go. I'm telling you, this applicator process, way easier than just my regular thumb or my finger.
I might be able to work on putting them in by myself with my hand, but for now, this is going to be my lifesaver. Ooh. It's just like that first initial touch. You know what I mean? He's actually getting a little dry. I had him out for a while before I started the video. All right, there we go. Back in action. A little liquid inside of there, won't hurt. Let's go. Choo. Ha. 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 Oh my gosh. It's like tickling my eye, man. I feel like I gotta like Captain Morgan to do this real quick. Like, you know what I mean? I gotta put 1 foot up, dummy. 1 foot up. It's getting a little ADHD in here, getting a little, you hear me? One time for the one time. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy. It's getting so dry. All right, we're gonna do this. We got this. I try to close my eye. I can't do that. Can't close your eye. Can't close your eye, Brad. Can't close your eye, Brad. Can't close your eye when you need it to go in your eye. Your eye needs to be open. Little redness around it. I think I pushed a little too hard putting it on, but already this one feels like it needs to like settle in. So this one might be a minute. But so far, they already feel better than the ones I put in, the ones that I ordered online. I don't know where I ordered them from, but they were daily contacts. They were for 8-hour use, and I didn't even have them in 8 hours, and they were irritated. This one doesn't feel like I have a thing in. Didn't feel like I had a thing when I put it on. This was a little dry when I put it in, so I think it's going to take some time to adjust to my face. We'll check in. If you're in the Twitch stream tonight, it's Thursday. Come in, see if they're in. Ask me how they are, how they feel, all that stuff, man. I appreciate you. All my socials are going to be somewhere linked in this video, probably description. I don't know, man. Somewhere in this video, man. We'll go ahead and link them. If not, click in my bio. I'll have my URL bay take you to wherever you need to go. I appreciate y'all. Peace. They look pretty good.